The Nooie robot vacuum, model NCR01, uses lasers to navigate closely around objects for efficient cleaning. It also uses the lasers and a computer program to create a map of the rooms it cleans to create a more efficient route over time. With the app on your phone, you can set boundaries for the vacuum and schedule a cleaning routine. When the battery is below 20% or when it's finished cleaning, it automatically returns to the charging station. It uses 1,300 milliliter disposable bags. Standard reusable dust bags are also available. It has 3 suction levels: low, medium, and high. Medium is the default setting with a noise level of 68 decibels. You can turn the vacuum on by hand, with the app, or with an Amazon smart speaker. The vacuum has a low profile. It's only 2.85 inches tall. It works on carpets and hard surfaces. It has a side brush and an anti-tangle roller brush, which is easy to clean. It comes with a cleaning tool, the charging station, and disposable dust bags. It works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi.